Hi, welcome to QuickMechs. This tutorial is how to register as a mechanic on our platform. Let's get started. We'll start on our home page and select Mechanic. Next, we'll select Post in the top right corner. On the next page, you will input your selections using the drop-down menus that specify your specialty, the types of vehicles you can repair, your years of experience. For specialty, we'll select General Repairs. For vehicle type, this is where you can select all of the vehicle types that you are able to repair. So I'm going to go ahead and select a few. And press done. Next, I'm going to input my years of experience. All done. Now you can select next. The next page allows you to set your work hours. This will allow your customers to know exactly when you're open, what days, and what time. Now you can select the days of the week that you are open. I'll select Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can also adjust the timing. I'll leave it at 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you are a mechanic that offers 24-hour service or mobile services, you can also let your customers know that by turning on those features on this page. Here we go. Now select Next. Now input your shop details. Let's start with your phone number, your shop name, your shop address, and you can even enter a short shop description, letting customers know the type of service you provide and why they should book with you. Now select Next. Now here's the fun part. On the next page, you can upload photos. These can be photos of your shop, previous repairs, or anything else you would like. Get creative, customize your profile, and show customers why they should book with you. Here, I'm going to select a few photos to add to my profile. Now select Register, and you're done. You can verify your shop with Stripe, or you can verify it later. We'll verify it later. Congratulations, you've made it to the end. You have successfully registered as a mechanic. This page will allow you to go to your dashboard just to ensure that you've registered correctly. And here we have it. Lux Auto Repairs has been registered with QuickMechs. Now you can see your business page with your location, your 24-hour service and mobile service available, the days of the week and times that you are open. Thanks for watching.